just a loyal fan, trying to do the best I can. But these last 3-4 years have made it hard. But I had faith and I had hope, and thankfully the Padres choked. Either that or maybe it was the rally thong. Let's go Giants, NL West Division champions. Feels good, but we ain't stopping here. We got Timmy and Torres, Huff Daddy and Buster Posey, hands down, Rookie of the Year. The playoff feed was giving me the chills. Willie Mays and Will the Thrill, Bobby Thompson and the shot that they heard around the world. We're here to win, but in case we lose, I'm purchasing a case of booze. I guess the torture will never end. It goes on and on and on and on. Kung Fu Panda, Pat the Bat and Uribe, Brian Wilson in the night.
Fear the fear.
Don't stop believing. This could be the season. Black and orange till I die. Don't stop believing. Shout out to the entire Giants organization. Black and orange till I die. Crook and Kite, what up? Don't stop believing. Marty Laurie, this could be the series.